Hello, my name is Elijah Reeves, and my research topic will be discussing the use of sound and heat waves to produce contactless phase change. For this research experiment, the main objective is to build a levitation apparatus that integrates the use of sound and heat waves to convert solids to liquids. Currently, a small testing system for data verification and observation is being made. Ultrasonic levitation is the application of sound waves for manipulating and suspending objects in air. While this has been achieved for past research experiments, this research experiment will require the use of ultrasound transducers with a frequency inaudible to the human ear, along with therapeutic transducers that convert electricity into heat. For this research, ultrasonic levitation will implement various equations, starting with the first law of thermodynamics, which states that energy can neither be created nor destroyed, but rather converted into other forms of energy. From this, it is safe to assume that kinetic and potential energy are negligible, and that the sample will maintain a transient state in a one-dimensional environment, and the sample will encounter work from outside the system with heat generated from therapeutic transducers, resulting in a form of entropy. To determine the frequency of sound waves, the following equation can be used with the variable t given as seconds. Next, velocity of the sound waves used to interact with the levitated samples can be determined with the second equation, solving for the variable c. The concept of ultrasonic levitation can be separated into three parts, the first of which is the transducer, the vibrating surface that produces the sound. The second is the reflector, which will reflect the oncoming sound. And finally, the use of a concave array of transducers and reflectors set to pinpoint a sample in one location. When sound waves are emitted, forced and expanded wave molecules will reach towards a focal point at the center of the device where they will cancel each other out, resulting in a standing wave. The heat generated from the therapeutic transducers will be positioned towards the sample while maintaining no contact with any surfaces by producing heat through conversion from electricity. To find the amount of pressure given off by a sound wave, the sound pressure level given in decibels will need to be found by using the logarithmic equation given the amplitudes of both signals before solving for sound pressure given in pascals. A recent experiment was conducted to test evaporation levels of respiratory droplets in an objective to find a role in the COVID-19 outbreak. The following image is the setup used to conduct the experiment. For this research experiment, a similar setup will be used with a few additions including Arduino hardware and software and therapeutic transducers. The ultrasonic transducers will be separated into a top and bottom section, and the two therapeutic transducers will be placed within proximity of the levitating sample and will not interfere with the sound waves produced in the environment. In conclusion, the objective was discussed, which is to build a device displaying levitation and conversion of solid matter to liquid matter. We hope to continue building the device and gather data from various objects. And that concludes my presentation. Thank you.